This is another useful product which can be used with the Indemake soldering station. We will introduce you this semi-automatic type solder feeder system, which is a very useful product for uniform soldering, and it also avoids wastage of solder wire. So we will unbox it and we will show you the contents of this packing. This is the operating manual. This is the solder feeder unit. This is the feeding tube assembly, and this is the power cord. These cable ties are also supplied for connecting the feeding tube with the soldering iron. So let us see how it is connected to the soldering iron. First we need to insert these. We need to connect the solder wire feeder tube with the soldering iron. Please ensure both the units are off to avoid any damage to the operator. See, this is how this feeding tube is mounted on the soldering iron. See, some alteration will be required to align this feeding tube so that the solder wire can be guided to the soldering tip. We can use few cable ties which are supplied along with this feeder system to attach this feeding tube to the soldering iron. So this is how this feeding tube assembly can be connected to the soldering iron. Now we will feed the solder wire. So different type of feeding tube assemblies are supplied. See, we need to just loosen this screw first and then insert this part of this feeding tube here, and then just tighten this screw once again, and then connect this banana plug on the rear side of this unit. The next part is feeding the solder wire. We are using 1 mm type feeding attachment, so we should use the solder wire having diameter of 1 mm. We need to just lift this cover first before inserting the solder wire, and see, yeah, you can see that in this way the solder wire can be fed through this guide attachment. Then we will connect the power cord to switch this unit on. The power cord is also connected on the rear side of this unit. Then this metal plate is kept back on the unit. First we need to feed the solder wire till it reaches the soldering tip. You can see the solder wire is moving, and it is being moved through this guide attachment, this feeder tube attachment, and soon it will appear here on the soldering tip. Now we will explain the features of this SFS81 solder feeder system one by one. Let's start from the length. First one is the length. You can see there are 3 digits on the front panel. By pressing this with these push buttons, we can adjust the length of solder wire to be fed. The feeding length ranges from 0.15 mm to 150 mm. At when the all three digits are 0, the solder wire fed will be 0.15 mm, and when this length is at 999, the length of solder wire to be fed will be 150 mm. So then move to the next, return. This return feature is very important to avoid wastage of this solder wire. When zero is on this panel, then the return feature is disabled, and at 9 the returning length will be around 25 mm. So according to the set value, the set length of solder wire will be returned, and in this way the wastage of solder wire will be avoided. Then the feeding speed. There are few digits which denotes the speed of solder wire to be fed. At 0 it will be 2.7 mm per second, and at 9 the solder wire feeding speed will be 27 mm per second. Then the feeding interval time. Feeding interval time is the time interval between two soldering joints when the mode is enabled. So the feeding interval time at 0 is disabled, and at 9 the feeding interval time is 2.7 seconds. Then the mode. The last one is the mode. When 0 is set on this mode button, then then it will be in manual operating mode, and when the mode is set, suppose at 5 or 2 or 3, the set length of solder wire will be fed. Suppose if mode is at 5, then set length of solder wire will be fed 5 times after the interval. If we need to enable the interval mode, if we select the mode. So now we can see that interval is at 2, and we have selected mode 5. Then when we press this finger switch, the set length of solder wire will be fed 5 times after interval of the set interval time. We will show you. See, we have seen the set length of solder wire was fed 5 times after set interval time, after gap of set the interval time. That's all.